In this video, I'm going to show you how I do a little self-care. You have to love yourself. So if you're interested in seeing what I've done, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie from CreativelyMsMe. You're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click the red subscribe button you see down below, and then a bell will appear. Click that bell twice so you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I'm doing a series on self-care. I have been looking into the fact that I hadn't been caring for myself, and I needed to look at me and spend a little bit more me time. So today I did a kind of like a female process of doing a little self-love. Now this is for gentlemen too. I think men do this kind of self-care as well. So I put a little things together and I feel really rejuvenated, really relaxed, really at ease, and I'm glad I took the time out to do this for myself. Now I'm going to tell you about the Dermabrush Advanced Cleaning System. Now it's a miracle worker in a minute. The Dermabrush Advanced Cleaning System is essential to the first step towards a healthier skin. The Dermabrush gently glides across your skin while cleaning thoroughly. Micro massage loosens and removes dirt, oil, and makeup from your pores. Now on Amazon, this brush is $40.50 on Amazon. Now I bought it myself, and the box is really nice. It has a little Velcro snap on the side, so you can keep it for storage or not. I keep mine stored in the package it came in. And I like how it works. It's gentle on your skin. It's not very rough. Like I said, it glides across your skin. It's lightweight. It's not heavy to hold. I think you will enjoy using this brush. And I do recommend this brush for cleaning your skin. I think it does a wonderful job. And my rating, I give it 5 stars because it really works with it. It gets deep down off in the pores after you wear makeup for a day. So I think that's something that I think you need to look into for myself. So without further ado, let's look at the video. Right now I'm giving myself a facial using some Jula products. I am using the Dermabrush to clean my face, and then the products that I am using for Julep, Love Your Bare Face, is a detoxing cleaner. That's what I'm using first, and using the brush makes it clean really well on your face, and I love it. It's a cool, smooth feeling. I mean, it really gets to the bone when it says detox. It really does your skin right. Remember to stay to the end. There's always something new on the last slide. Next, after rinsing my face and patting my face dry, I'll be applying another one of my favorite julep products. Now this julep product is called What Your Skin Needs. It's a moisturizing face milk. So you only put maybe 2 to 3 drops in the palm of your hand and apply that to your face, and rub it in. Next, I will be using the sleeping mask with Power Cell Complex. What this is, it moisturizes your skin and it helps rejuvenate your cells in your skin. And when you wake up in the morning, your face feels so smooth like a baby's bottom. And with me having vitiligo, every little bit helps. Every little bit of extra moisture or night cream I can put on to help, because my vitiligo is spreading a little faster than I thought it would, but it's getting there. It's just about on my face. It's on my face as it is, but it's starting to appear more in larger spots. So every bit of moisture I can get to help with that process, the better. So if you haven't gone already to check out CreativelyMsMe.com, please check out my blog. I have created forums to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And if you enjoyed my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And as always, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed. Remember to stay to the end. There's always something new on the last slide.